Welcome back. Today we have the Look Fantastic May 2020 Beauty Box. I am very excited to see what is inside, so let's jump right in and check out the box. Okay, let's jump right in. They make it very, very easy to just pull open the box. So it's a mint green box, and let's see what's inside. This is the Look Fantastic May subscription beauty box. Okay, so you can just see right here what's in the box. Get a close-up right there. It looks a bit sparse to me, but let's see here. Wipe Out Eco-Friendly Micro Cleansing Cloth. So this is by Magnetone London, and it looks like, let's pull this out. Oh, this is very soft. Ooh, it feels like a nice soft blanket. So this looks like it's part of their line of facial cleansing products. It's got a nice hanger on the end so that you can hang it up and it can dry. So that will be interesting to try and see how it looks. Next we have a Hydrobiome Probiotic Face Mask. So I always love a good face mask, so it'll be interesting to give this a try. Let's see here. Next we have a Hyaluronic Resurfacing Moisturizer with shea butter, and it's by a brand called Avant. And we have an Ico Brow Gel. I use Ico. Actually, Ico is a very good brand for their eye products. I have used their brow liner. I don't really need a brow gel, but we'll see. I kind of wish this was a brow liner because their liners are very nice. Oh, and there's one, I was a bit disappointed, but it looks like there's another Balance Me product, which I had a Balance Me product in the last box. And we have more hyaluronic. This is a hyaluronic plumping mist. It looks like it's purse size. You can just pop it in your purse for those sunny days on the beach, or if you live in a dry climate, this might be something that would be really great to have on hand. I really like my plumping mists to set my makeup afterwards, especially sometimes if my skin is a bit dry. This always works as a great finishing spray for makeup as well. So there you have it. That's the Look Fantastic May beauty box in a nutshell. And I think based upon that, I'm going to cancel it. I don't think I'm not keeping it. For me, it's just not a lot of products for the value. And again, I still am using the products from the last time. The Beauty Egg was definitely a great value, but the boxes are, I think, hit or miss in terms of what you get inside. So I hope you enjoyed that. And next I'd like to show you talk about some results from some of the prior box contents. One being the hair shampoo that I got. It was very interesting texture, and I want to talk about it with you a little bit. If you can see this is the Christoph Robin Cleansing Volumizing Paste. And but I wanted to open it. This is what it looks like on the inside. And it smells like a cross between, there's a nice rosy scent to it, but there's also a salon hair color, or not salon, but at-home hair coloring kit scent to it as well. It's very strange to put it on and to shampoo with it. It does turn into a foam and lather up, but when you initially have it on your hair, it feels like you're putting face scrub on your hair. and it's really strange. So I used it once. I didn't feel like it made an amazing difference on my hair the following day, or when I dried it, it wasn't that great. So I'm not quite impressed with this. I think maybe if you have very, 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 very short hair, like a crew cut, or no hair, this is probably really great because it will exfoliate your scalp. But for those with long locks, I don't see this as being a winner, not in my book. And there is a bit of an ammonia smell to it that I picked up. And I don't know if it's the combination of the essential oils or the perfumes that they use in it, but to me it smells like a hair color formula. So yeah, it's a full size, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it because I won't be using it. And that was in the full size LookFantastic Easter egg from April 2020. Next up, I wanted to give the results of the chewable hair vitamins, or vitamins, depending on where you live, by Hair Burst. And let me tell you, they work. This has just been an amazing hair growth. I mean, my hair is out of control. I had to cut it. I filmed this before I filmed the initial video just to cut it in. But no, all fun aside, they have been a pleasure to take. I have noticed a little bit of growth, but again, nothing drastic. Of course, they don't promise that in any way, shape, or form, but they do taste very good, and they do provide essential nutrients. So I'm very pleased with this full-size box of gummy hair vitamins that was in my April LookFantastic box. Thanks for watching that LookFantastic May 2020 unboxing and review. Please click subscribe if you haven't done so already, and be safe, be well, and have a great day.